Hello everyone and welcome to Large Language Model and Machine Learning Tutorials. In this tutorial we explain how to install and run Llama 3.3 70B parameter large language model or LLM locally on Linux Ubuntu. To install Llama 3.3 we will use Ollama. Ollama is one of the most simplest command line tools and frameworks for running large language models locally. Furthermore, it is simple to install Ollama and we can run different LLMs by using Ollama from the command line. And here is some background information about Llama 3.3. Llama 3.3 is a very powerful large language model that can be executed on a local computer with, under quotes, modest hardware. The performance of this model is similar to the Llama 3.1 large language model, which has 405 billion parameters. Llama is actually smaller, that is, Llama 3.3 is smaller than Llama 3.1. And Llama 3.3 is one of the most powerful large language models that can be executed on a local computer that does not have an expensive GPU. When I say an expensive GPU, I mean a GPU that costs around $50,000 or even $100,000, which us mortals cannot afford. The benefits of running LLMs locally are the following. First of all, you will have more privacy, then it's cheaper to run large language model locally. You only pay electricity that your GPUs or CPU are consuming, then you can easily integrate LLM in your application and you will have complete control of LLM behavior. That is, your computer will work for you and it's not going to work for a third party and no one will spy you. Here are some prerequisites. First of all, we were able to run Llama 3.3 on a computer with NVIDIA 3090 GPU, 64 GB of RAM, and Intel i9 processor, which is around 2 or 3 years old. The inference speed is not fast on this computer. However, this can be improved by using more powerful GPU such as 4090 or 5090 NVIDIA, or by further quantizing the model. Then you will need 40 to 50 gigabytes of disk space to download the model. Here I have to mention that I didn't test the performance of this model on GPUs that are less powerful than 3090 NVIDIA. My suggestion to everyone is, if you're buying a GPU and if you can invest at least $1,000 or $2,000, try to buy even 4090, or if you cannot afford 4090, which I think is around $2,000, you can purchase NVIDIA 3090 for $1,000. Maybe when 5090 comes out, and it should be relatively soon, end of January, then all the other GPUs price will dramatically go down. Okay, let's start with installation. The first step is to install Ollama on your system. For that purpose, we need to enable connections to a certain port on your local computer. Don't worry, you're not opening a port to external network or to some people outside of your network. You're just opening a port on your local computer such that you can locally run a model. So let's do that. Click here and search for terminal. First of all, let's see the version of Ubuntu that you're using. I'm using Ubuntu 24.04, and my suggestion is to either use this version of Ubuntu or, in the worst case scenario, use Ubuntu 22.04. However, this is the newest and the most stable version of Linux Ubuntu. Next, we need to run this command to allow inbound connections to this port. So let's enter this and let's enter the password. And here it is. Okay. The next step is actually to install Ollama. To install Ollama, you need to go to the official Ollama website. Here it is. And then over here, you need to click on download. Then you can see that it's automatically recognized that I'm on a Linux system, and you simply need to copy this command, then go in command prompt or terminal and paste this command, and that's it. Now, it might happen that you don't have curl. That's another thing to keep in mind. If this command is giving you an error, then you need to install curl. So how to install curl? Well, to install curl, you will simply Google and you will type install curl on Linux, and then you'll see one of these tutorials. You just need basically one single line, which will be sudo apt install curl, and that's it. Again, if this command is not working, that is, if you see an issue installing, then you need to install curl, which is a program used to install Ollama. Okay, over here you need to be patient and to wait until Ollama is installed. Okay, after Ollama is installed, you should see these commands. The most important thing is that Ollama was able to automatically recognize NVIDIA GPU, and this is very important. That is, you don't need to additionally install any driver to use Ollama. However, we need to verify that Ollama is running. There are several approaches to do that. Maybe the easiest approach is to open a command, or actually to open a web browser, and then over here in the address bar type this localhost, then this symbol 11434, and if you press enter, you should see that Ollama is running. In some sense, Ollama is acting as a server or a background program that's running on your local computer. Another thing to verify that Ollama is running, or better to say another approach, is to go back to the command prompt and to type Ollama. And if you see a general response, that is, if you see something like this means that Ollama is properly installed. So to summarize, enable the port, install curl if you don't have, and run this command over here in order to install Ollama. The next step is to actually download the model. That is, we need to download Llama 3.3. To do that, go again to the Ollama official webpage, and over here search for Ollama 3. Not Ollama, you should search for Llama 3.3. So let's click here, click over here, and here you have different options. So let's click over here, you will see only a single options. However, if you click on tag, you will see something else over here. So this is very interesting. Besides this basic model or the latest model, which is 43 gigabytes, you also have quantized versions of Llama 3.3. These quantized versions are actually smaller versions. That is, the model is reduced. However, the performance is probably degraded. I will test them in my future video tutorials. So let's go back and let's stick to this model. Now, over here is the command that's used to download and run the model. I'm not going to run the model immediately. Consequently, I'm not going to execute this command as it is. I will change it a little bit. So I will copy it, then I will go here, I will paste it, and instead of run, I will type pull. Pull command will simply download the model, and later on I will run the model, and I will explain you several things. So let's press enter, and now the model is being downloaded. You can see the size of the model. The size of the model is 43 gigabytes, and you can see the time it requires to download the model. So it's going to take even around 20 minutes to download the model. However, this usually goes faster, maybe even 15 minutes. Let's see. And finally, after the model is downloaded, you will simply type this command, and this command will execute the model. It's going to take some time to load the model, and after the model is loaded, you will be in the interactive mode, and you will be able to ask questions to Llama 3.3. And here is another important thing to keep in mind. Namely, besides running Llama 3.3, which has around which requires actually 40 gigabytes of disk space, you can run even a quantized model. And let me explain you how to get a quantized and a smaller model. To get other quantized model, go back to the Ollama website and search for Llama 3.3. Now, if you click again over here, you can click on tags, and over here you can see the quantized model. You can see the Q2 quantized model, which is only 26 gigabyte. This is a smaller model which should have a similar performance to, for example, Q3 model, which is only 34 gigabytes. In fact, the model that we are downloading is actually this one, I think. No, it's basically 43 gigabytes, so it should be this one. This is probably the model that we are downloading. So that's the idea. You can experiment with different models, check their performance, see how they work, and see the model that best works on your GPU and on your computer resources. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons or support this channel. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video tutorial.